Long Branch to County Road is located near Frenchburg, Kentucky. We started at the north end off of Clifton Road and headed south towards the county park. This trail is not currently part of the Daniel Boone Backcountry Byway, but it could be in the future. We were very excited to hit this trail since we had heard how many different terrains it had to offer, including waterfalls, mud, and sandstone climbs. There's also a cool arch that you can hike to along the trail.
Muddy out here.
If you do this trail, be sure to stay in the creek as much as possible, as you do not want to cross into any private property that is clearly marked by signs along the way.
2.5. This one's pretty straight up.
This video is actually two different adventures combined into one, since we ran it with a tour group later on after we ran it solo to scout it out.
Unless they tell us to pull up again. Yeah, it should be good. Waterfalls to climb, Lindsay.
No, this one's.
Because of the undercut on this climb, we recommend a vehicle with a larger approach angle. Otherwise, you could struggle with the undercut. We found taking vehicles up the driver's side worked best for the group.
Come inside here. There you go. You're fine. What do you think of this trail, Trevor?
Nice trail.
Go back. Back up a little. We'll try to come in here more. Now a little this way. There you go. It looks funny, but you'll be fine. Waterfalls, waterfalls. Beautiful trail. I decided to walk for a minute, let her chase me.
Top of this hill you can park, and it's a short hike to the Devil's Market Arch.
Little sandstone climb here. You doing good, Jim? Back up about 2 feet and give a little bump there. There you go. Once you come up on that lip on the right, just give it a little bump for the back. You're good. That line's good.
Continue to follow this out and you will end in the county park where you can grab some lunch.